Network speed show in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can show network speed in Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, showing your network speed on Samsung on your status bar is very simple. Make sure that your Samsung device is updated to the latest version. In my case, I'm on the latest One UI 6 version, so you have to make sure you're updated to that. Then open up the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Then simply go to the option called notifications. Under notifications, go to the option called advanced settings. Then under advanced settings, you'll find this option that says show network speed in real time. So just tap on show network speed in real time. Then you'll find a network speed now indicating at the very top of the screen. Now remember that this option might not be available on all the devices, but in my case on my Samsung S20 Plus Exynos, it's actually just working just fine. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.